Today I'm going to show you how you can change your age within your Discord mobile app. So first of all, what we need to do is head over to our Discord, and then once we open up Discord here, you need to select your profile picture in the bottom right hand corner. Once we select this, we need to scroll all the way down towards the bottom of this page until you see the option for support. Click on support and then that will open up a browser within your Discord app. From here you can log in if it hasn't logged you in already. So once you've entered in your details, click on sign in, and then you'll be brought to this page right here where you can now submit a request. So you click on the drop down menu and you will need to select now trust and safety. Click on that, and then what that will do is it will open up further drop down menus. So we can now click on how can we help. Click on appeals, age update and other questions. For the appeals, age and update other questions, what you need to do now is you need to click on update my age information. And you can enter in your phone number if you want to do that, but you can also leave that blank because that is optional. So once you have done that, you can come down now and enter in your date of birth. So this needs to be the date of birth that you want to be associated with your Discord account from once it gets changed. So go ahead and input that. Once you've entered in your date of birth, you can then click on the little tick box there to confirm this, and then you will now need to enter in a subject and a brief description. So just something really simple in the description box like this will do, and what you can do then is click on submit. Once we click on submit, it will go ahead and obviously be brought to this page where it will say your request was successfully submitted. You will then receive an email from Discord once they have updated your age. So that's how easy it is to go ahead and change your age on your Discord account.